Hey folks, Adam here from 911 Studios. Today we're looking at Mantra, M-A-N-T-R-A. This is a body ball, available in a variety of colors and sizes. And this is a great workout ball for working on your core. And what I will say about this is Mantra has high quality workout balls. They've got a little base that you can use and add in resistance bands. I like to do it on my own. Just really a fantastic workout and great for stretching. There we go. So a fantastic product. Now, if you're looking for a variety of workout activities, Mantra is the ball for you. It's great for balance, core stabilization. You see a little bit of movement there. And there's so much you can do with one of these body balls. So, even like crush in, work those abs and that core, push out, the whole time working your upper body, or like I said before, just working your core. You can pick up with Amazon, has over 6,000 ratings currently, and almost a 5-star average. So we're looking at Mantra body balls. They're absolutely fantastic. Get the whole thing. Get it with the base, do your resistance bands, and get a great total workout for a great price. Go ahead and order today. You absolutely will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching and adios, amigos.